Let's talk about system information. We're continuing tools that are available through the system configuration panel. Let's go to system configuration. What is the system information? Microsoft, I presume, information 32, which is from the OS architecture. System information, let's find it here. Here we can see Microsoft information 32. Executable. Per Microsoft, Windows includes a tool called Microsoft System Information, MS Info 32 executable. This tool gathers information about your computer and displays a comprehensive view of your hardware, system components and software environment, which you can use to diagnose computer issues. The information in System Summary is divided into 3 sections: hardware resources, components, and software environment. Yes, we can see all 3 components here. System Summary will display general technical specifications for the computer, such as processor brand and model. Here we can see the processor, the brand, and the model. You can see the BIOS version, you can see a lot of stuff. System name, a lot of things. The information displayed in hardware resources is not for the average computer user. If you want to learn more about this section, refer to the official Microsoft page. You can jump into the official Microsoft page and learn about hardware resources more in detail. Under components, you can see specific information about the hardware devices installed on the computer. We can see if we jump on audio codecs, we can see videos, CD-ROMs, sound device, display, infrared, inputs also, modem, so on. Some sections don't show any information, but some sections do, such as display and input. We saw that. Display and input for keyboard and pointing devices. In the software environment section, you can see information about software baked into the operating system and software you have installed. We can see drivers, services, running tasks, or a ton of information. Other details are visible in this section as well, such as the environment variables and network connections. Also, you can see again the %sign is how you write a Windows variable. Recall from the Windows Fundamentals 1 room, the Windows System 32 folder task, where environment variables was briefly touched on. Per Microsoft, environment variables store information about the operating system environment. This information includes details such as the operating system path, the number of processors used by the operating system, and the location of temporary folders. Yep, we can see everything. Windows directory, usernames, temp, paths, and so on. The environment variables store data that is used by the operating system. For example, the WinDir Windows Direct environment variable contains the location of the Windows installation directory. Programs can query the value of the variable to determine where Windows operating system files are located. The variable Windows directory and the value is system root. Another method to view environment variables is control panel, system and security, system, advanced system settings, environment variables, or settings, system, about, system information, advanced system settings, environment variables. Or you just say environment variables, and then you see here environment variables. Or you can just follow these. Let's say we follow the first one, control panel, system and security, system, advanced system settings, and we are to the same location. And inside system variables or environment variables, we have pretty much what you see on the screenshot from TryHackMe. The detour is over. Let's redirect our attention back to Microsoft Information 32 and pick up where we left off. All right, let's go here. And then towards the very bottom of the utility, there is a search box. We found that. Please give it a go. Select components and search for IP addresses. We select components and we say here IP addresses. And we say IP address. And we hit find. Boom, there you go. Let's see. IP address not available. Let's see, for instance, if we go to software environment, and here we say, we search for BAM, background activity moderator driver. You can see it here highlighted. Pretty awesome. Answer the questions below. What is the command to open system information? The answer is in the executable file, not in the full path. Microsoft information 32. We have to use the extension as well. What is listed under system name? If we go to hardware, actually to summary, and we check system name, we see try hack me, Windows Phone machine number 2. Under environment variable, what is the value for com spec? We go to environment variables and we see com spec. What is the value there? We see there system root / system 32 / command executable. Actually, I said system room, but it's system root. Awesome.